Are you ready to try applesauce? Look, this is breast milk and applesauce mixed together. Mmm. Want to do it yourself? Eat it. It's yummy. She thinks it's medicine. Yum 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 yum. Mom, I don't like medicine. You still figuring it out? She's like, I don't know about this. This is funny tasting milk. Want some more? I want to do it, Mom. Whoops. We've been giving Emma Tylenol the last few days, and so she thinks this is medicine. But it's not medicine. It's apple milk sauce. Daddy making faces at you. No, Mom. Put some on your chair. You can play around in it. Don't want to waste it. Do you like applesauce? Yum, 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 yum. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.